Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can enable automatic download media on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in a device, then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings, then tap on chat settings. After that, you can see the option of automatic download media. Tap on it. Then you can see the option of Wi-Fi and cellular. Tap on it. So this is how you can enable automatic download media on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.